It's never been easier to set up your salary packaging arrangement. Sign up on the MyEziway account app in under 3 minutes. Add personal details. Upload documents. Order an Eziway salary packaging card. And review your salary packaging options in an efficient, guided, step-by-step process. Your account is instantly created and ready to access immediately. Log in with your employer's visitor username and password. Within your employer's visitor page, you can book an appointment with an Eziway client relationship manager during their next visit to your workplace. You'll have access to salary packaging education or watch short salary packaging videos. A larger library of information can be accessed by tapping on the Help Centre. Otherwise, if you're ready to set up your account, tap on Create an Account. Enter your details one step at a time. Answer a list of important details related to your personal circumstances. Enter your annual gross salary or your hourly rate. In the Your Details section, select the items you wish to salary package. You can choose from mortgage, rent, credit card, or a personal loan. Enter your bank account details to receive reimbursement. Then, photograph and upload a clear copy of your statement. If you don't have the necessary documents on hand, you can proceed with the application and upload via the app after sign-up. Otherwise, you can receive your benefits via the ATO-approved Eziway salary packaging card and Eziway meal entertainment card. If you have opted for an Eziway card, a quick application will be completed next. Once complete, a summary of your estimated tax savings will appear. View a detailed breakdown. Then finalise your account setup by selecting Submit. Create your new password and you're all done. Your Eziway salary packaging account is ready to access immediately. If you need to download the MyEziway account app, it's available in your App Store.